This 2025 Fleetwood Insight 25M is a Class C RV. It is located in Nokomis, FL 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Fleetwood is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Fleetwood Insight 25M is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.